Hi guys, so I am here to show you the summer 2020 unboxing of Fab Fit Fun. And I've been patiently waiting to do this video because there's a customization period, and for some reason I thought it opened up at 9 a.m. It did not, because it was like a different time zone than my time zone. So I'm sitting there trying to look up the customizations to get in within the first hour, because now I know if you don't add your customizations on within the first hour or before, you won't really get what you want. So this first customization was shipped to me separately because I had to chat with customer service to actually get this customization sent to me. And this is the little magazine I have to show you. Anyways, this tells you what everything is. Retail prices. So I'll get to that in a second. Anyways, I was telling you about the customization. If you're getting these boxes, you want to make sure that you're doing your customizations as soon as possible, as soon as it opens. But anyways, so I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna turn that off. Goodness. Okay, so yeah, I had to get this shipped separately because I put this in my customization box, and by the time I got to my third customization, it was sold out. But when I was checking out, it wasn't. When I was in my customizations, it was still available. But by the time I got to my third customization, it hadn't been available. So I convinced him, I guess, to send it to me, because that was the only thing I was looking forward to getting, was the tie-dye towel. And it was available before when I was trying to get to them. Anyways, these are the other two things that I really wanted. This kimono, and then they had a shampoo conditioner combo, which I don't know if they're on the same customization list or what. They give you like, I think 4 or 5 options for each customization. You get 3 customizations. Now, if you pay for the boxes for the whole year, you're like the first in line for like VIP customization. So they get first dibs, and that's why if you pay quarterly, you won't get first dibs. You get second dibs. Anyways, this is my first customization. Is a tie-dye beach towel, and it is by L Space, and it retails at $58. So just with the beach towel, I'm already beyond the box price. My first box was only $39.95, and then every box after that is $49.95. So anyways, there's that beach towel. Let's go on to the next one. I got this customization, but I'm not sure how I got it because I was only supposed to get 3 total. I don't know. Maybe they pick and chose which ones I got. I thought I maybe have gotten this one too, but these for sure I know were my customizations. This is another one. Straw bag with a floral scarf. I thought it was really cute. It's a lot smaller than all my other tote looking bags, and it actually looks bigger in the magazine. Let me show it to you now. But this retails at $75. It's Draper James. So yeah, it's cute. It's just an everyday bag, but you don't want to get. It looks like you should not be getting it wet. Is what it says. Anyways, there's a little cute scarf on here that you can either put on your head or just keep it on the purse, whichever you like. Saw the model wearing it on her hair. So I guess you could put it right here. Not like a ninja warrior. Anyways, some people put scarves on their head like that. I used to wear them like that. Anyways, let's wrap that up. Alright, let's keep moving on. This next one I will probably be giving as a gift, because I didn't like the color. I like bright colors. This is a Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet, but it's a good gift. Retails at $78, and I'm pretty sure it's real Michael Kors. At least it better be if it retails for $78. Anyways, there's 2 pockets right here, and then all these card pockets, and then the ID pocket. So, I believe you put your passport in this pocket or something, or behind here and flip it open. Anyways, I think this is another customization. Don't ask me how I got 4. Maybe it's because of that whole mix-up with the tie-dye towel. This is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, Condition Restore. Okay, and this retails at un momento, $65. Another thing I would not pay $65 for, but it is what it is. Aww, little smiley face. It smells, I already tried it on. It's AM PM cream, apply evenly. Clinically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. So, I will be using this probably on my face because I can't seem to find a lotion that's light enough for my skin. I'll do another video on this to let you know how it works out on my sensitive skin. Here's one thing I won't be using. Kind of don't want to open it since I'm going to be gifting it. So this is a makeup drop. Is the company hybrid makeup applicator. This retails at $20. I've seen these all over in the makeup section, so I'm guessing it's either foundation or powder. I'm not really sure about that because I don't wear makeup like that. But this is one I'm excited about too. This is not something I chose or anything, but it's, I don't even know if I'm saying this right, but it's Murad. It's developed by a doctor, Essential C Cleanser. And it's a pretty big bottle. It's 6.75 ounces. And I've seen these in the stores, but it smells really citrusy. But it retails at $40. And I could use a new cleanser right now because I currently don't really have one. I only use like the masks and stuff on my face, and I don't use them all that often. So I ripped this box. This is a Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Oh, I just went to the pool. And I got something like this, but it's not. It kind of smells like tanning lotion. It's really light scent though. I have another mist spray, and I just use that when I'm working out and I get super hot back here. I just spray it all over my face. But you can probably use this after you lay it out, so your skin feels more hydrated. Oh, this retails at Beach Mist. Where is it at? Let me see. Oh, it's also the Lifestyle Company, and it's $42. It says it's an aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. But it's really light scent. You can barely smell any lavender, so it's really nice. Okay, this is probably another gifting thing because I might try it. I don't know. I might not. It's a face and body ice roller by Zoe Aguila. I'm probably saying that wrong too. It reduces puffy eyes and rejuvenates tired skin, which I have. You can see wrinkly lines coming about. Whatever. These are scars, not wrinkles. It's still going away, but I still have them. Anyways, if I can get this open, I'll show you what it looks like. Then we'll wrap up this video. It's a little roller. We're supposed to put it in the freezer for 4 hours before using it. So, yep. This ice roller, I don't know if I told you this already, retails at $30. So that is it for my Fab Fit Fun box. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, yucks. Put them all in here. 7, 8. I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got 8 items. So, 8 full-size. Actually, there is one more thing. 9 items. I'm sorry. I don't know what I did with it though. There it is. Oh my gosh, it's in the bottom of the box. 9 items. I forgot to show this one off. Thought I was done. I'm not. It's by Riddle. It's a little purse pack looking thing, and it is a oil original roll-on. And this little dainty thing retails at $50. So, yeah. If I'm gonna buy anything that rolls on my body, it's not gonna be $50 for this little bottle. But, yeah. And this is a light scent too. You're supposed to put it in your pulse points. Yeah. I'm not really sure what original is supposed to be for this, but it. Let me see. That's different. Perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent. That's weird. I've never heard of that before, but we'll see how that works out. It has a scent for every different person, I guess. Anyways, yeah. So I got 9 items for the $49.95, and $39.95 is the initial price for Fab Fit Fun. Usually you can find a code for it. I'm not sure how to have it set up now, but if you have any comments, you can comment below. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.